Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
Hey there! Welcome back. Today we're exploring what happens when you stop eating meat for 30 days.
From digestion changes to energy shifts, let's discover the science together. Day 1 to 3. Your digestive system notices the change immediately. Fiber intake increases dramatically. Gut bacteria start shifting their balance. Digestion may slow down initially. Your system adapts to new food types. Early changes are normal. Your gut is learning new patterns. Days 4 to 7. Your gut microbiome transforms significantly. Good bacteria multiply rapidly. They thrive on plant fiber and complex carbs. Bloating may occur temporarily. This is fermentation working its magic. Gut health improves long-term. Short-term discomfort pays off, as we see here. Week 2. Look at this monitor. Energy levels shift as metabolism adapts to new fuel sources. Watch this graph. Blood sugar stabilizes throughout the day. No more heavy meat crashes. See these mitochondria? They learn burning carbs efficiently. Cellular energy production changes. Steady energy replaces spikes. Your body finds its new rhythm in our data. Week 3. Check this inflammation tracker. Markers begin dropping throughout your body. See this C-reactive protein level? It decreases as chronic inflammation reduces naturally. Watch this joint flexibility scan. Stiffness improves as we see in the data. Anti-inflammatory benefits are real. Your body thanks you. Confirmed in our lab.
Week 4. Look at this skin analysis screen. Visible changes appear as adjustment completes. See this clarity improvement? Less saturated fat means fewer breakouts naturally. Check this scent analysis. Body odor may change subtly as gut health affects overall scent. Month complete. Your body runs cleaner on plants, as our lab confirms. What about protein? Let's check this nutrition database. Addressing the biggest concern here. See this amino acid chart? Plant proteins provide all essentials. Combining ensures completeness. Watch this absorption data. Rates differ slightly, but needs remain easily met. Protein myth debunked right here. Plants deliver everything you need, lab confirmed. Micronutrients matter too. Check this supplement analyzer. Some need extra attention. See this iron absorption model? Vitamin C boosts plant iron uptake significantly. Watch this B12 indicator. Supplementation is the one critical addition required. Plan smart and thrive. Most nutrients are abundant in plants, verified here. Cardiovascular benefits show quickly. Look at this heart monitor. Your heart loves this change. See this cholesterol graph? LDL drops within weeks, improving levels naturally. Check this pressure reading. Blood pressure decreases as arterial flexibility improves. Heart health wins big. This benefit alone is worth it, our data shows. Day 30. Let's review the final data. What 1 month without meat really changed? See this digestion summary? Smoother than ever. Microbiome diversity increased significantly. Check these energy and inflammation charts. Consistent daily, lower overall.
1 month proves it works. The choice continues with you, informed by science. Thanks for exploring my lab. Meat or plants, now you know the science. Stay curious and keep discovering. See you in the next lab adventure.
Subscribe for more health science. See you next time.